The AR-15 is a lightweight semi-automatic rifle originally designed by Eugene Stoner in the 1950s, known for its modular design and widespread civilian use. It features a gas-operated system, customizable components, and fires 2 to 3 Remington or 5 56-45mm NATO rounds. Constructed with polymer composites and aluminum alloys, its ergonomic build allows easy handling and accessory attachment. Popular among sports shooters and enthusiasts for precision and adaptability, the AR-15 platform has sparked debates over gun control due to its frequent misuse in mass shootings. While distinct from military variants like the M16, its modularity enables configurations resembling fully automatic weapons, contributing to its controversial status in firearm legislation discussions.